I took this plastic-compliant crossbow and made it in fiberglass using PCB manufacturing. 2 months ago, I showed you a printed compliant mechanism crossbow. That video got a lot of love, and I wanted to explore if I could take that design further, maybe even make it suitable for mass production. So I decided to try manufacturing it with PCB. PCB is a precise and durable material widely used in manufacturing, and it is typically made from a fiberglass reinforced with epoxy resin and conductive copper layers. I wanted to see if a compliant mechanism like this crossbow could be effectively created using a printed circuit board. I started by refining the design in SolidWorks and then moved to KiCad to lay out the PCB. It's a great free open source software for editing circuit boards. The process came with its own set of challenges. The first version wasn't without its issues. I accidentally sent the files without the solder mask, which resulted in an exposed copper board with lead plating. It looked shiny but wasn't exactly what I intended. Also, it had thick walls, making it tough to compress the frame and release the buckled beam. Despite these issues, it was a great proof of concept for the thin arms. I was worried the manufacturer wouldn't be able to create them. With the thick frame stubbornly resisting a good squeeze, I started my interrogation, cutting it down slice by slice until it finally gave in to the perfect fit. After addressing those issues, I designed the second version. Just because I can, I decided to use some of the empty space to add a ruler for measuring bolts lengths. However, this addition unexpectedly increased the manufacturing cost as it was considered a separate design. The crossbow works by compressing the two sides of the frame, releasing the stored energy in a buckled beam, and firing the projectile. Thinning the walls made this mechanism smoother and more manageable. Here you can see how to measure regular screws and flathead screws with my unnecessary screw ruler that screwed the manufacturing cost. To complete the design, I needed a few minimal printed parts. One part snaps onto the front of the bow to hold a toothpick or Q-tip in place, and another attaches to the buckled beam to push the projectile forward. These small parts are essential, but I know some of you might be thinking adding printed components could complicate mass production, and you're right. While PCB manufacturing is great for mass production, the inclusion of printed parts could be a limitation. I might need to explore other methods like injection molding to create these components in a more scalable way, or perhaps look into integrating additional PCB elements to replace the printed parts. These are considerations for future development. So here we have it, a compliant mechanism crossbow made from PCB, functional, and a step closer to a mass-producible design. I made 50 units of the second version, so if there's enough demand, I'll manufacture more. There might be a link in the description where you can place an order. This project has been a valuable experiment in exploring PCB manufacturing. I'm still looking for the best ways to make this design suitable for mass production, and I'd love to hear your thoughts, specifically on what manufacturing techniques to explore. If you enjoyed this project, please consider liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for more projects. Thanks for watching.